Hello, undergraduates. My name is Pia Nelson, and welcome to this brief overview of the AATA Online Database. Today, I'm going to share some notable details about the AATA Online Database, including pointers on searching the database to provide a firm foundation with an emphasis on the advanced search option. We'll explore the use of Boolean operators, truncation, and wildcards. Upon completion of this presentation, you will have the confidence to create and refine searches on your own. Included in the slide presentation is a review to help strengthen your online search skills. AATA is primarily a resource for the conservation community, which has been maintained by the Getty since 1983. The database is a free resource that provides access to literature abstracts from journals, books, and other relevant publications, focusing on the preservation and conservation of art, architecture, archaeological sites, and other cultural objects. You can access the AATA online database by visiting aata.getty.edu. Google Chrome is the preferred browser. The homepage defaults to a basic search strategy, allowing you to filter your search by material type, keywords, and choice of where to search within a material record. There are a few links to explore after this presentation: the Getty Conservation Institute, about AATA Online, and the Help link. The help link provides answers to many questions you may have, including details on searches using Boolean operators, truncation, and wildcards, which we will review in a moment. The pushpin icon enables you to access saved searches or records, and the menu link allows you to select your display language. Now let's take a look at the advanced search, which offers the ability to apply more refined search techniques. The first online search technique we will discuss is Boolean operators and, or, and not. For example, if we want results that include both fresco and Michelangelo, we would enter fresco space capitals AND space Michelangelo into the search. By doing so, we can search for both terms in any field, thereby reducing the number of results. Next, we would like to include results that contain fresco or Michelangelo, so we will enter fresco space capitals OR space Michelangelo into the search, allowing us to search any fields that contain either fresco or Michelangelo, which expands our search results. Lastly, we would like results that include fresco but not Michelangelo, so we will enter fresco space capitals NOT space Michelangelo into the search, choosing to search any fields that contain fresco but not including the term Michelangelo, which reduces our results compared to those when we use the Boolean operator of OR. The next online search technique is truncation, which enables researchers to use the asterisk symbol as a means of retrieving results that include variations of a root word. For example, searching RESTOR asterisk will return results for restore, restorers, restoring, and restoration. Wildcards, such as using the question mark, are an online search technique allowing the retrieval of words that may have a slight difference in spelling due to their language of origin. For example, if we are looking to return results on the various spellings of analyze, we would enter ANALY question mark E. By entering the question mark in place of the differing letter, the search will return both ANALYZE and ANALYSE. As noted in the AATA Help Guide, Boolean operators, truncation, and wildcards are applicable search methods in the database. In addition to the Help Guide, I have included a review of the advanced search techniques as a means of practicing searching the AATA online database. As you continue to explore the many facets of the AATA online database, you will build your confidence in refining search inquiries to return the most relevant results. Although this presentation focused on the AATA online database, the lessons learned here will apply to your future interactions with databases. It is essential to review each database you encounter, looking for help links or any information that outlines how to use the database, including the presence of thesauri. By doing so beforehand, you will have the necessary skill set to apply search techniques that will yield the most success in your search results. Also, don't hesitate to use the contact links in databases for further assistance when needed. Thank you and have a wonderful day.